Welcome to What's Math. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. This video will focus on system of equations, the application of system of equation. First example, Trader Joe's is running two specials for apples and peaches. Special 1, 12 apples and 5 peaches for $10.56. Special 2, 6 apples and 8 peaches for $9.24. What is the unit price for each? First, I'm going to assign variables to apples and peaches. So I'm going to make A equals to apples and P equals to peaches. We're going to analyze the first special, and that's what I'm going to use to make my first equations. The word "and" in math means addition, so therefore I will have 12a plus 5p equals 10.56. And you don't need to bring the dollar sign. Let's look at the second special. So now I'm going to have 6a plus 8p equals 9.24. Let's remind ourselves of the steps for using elimination. So I have 12a plus 5p equals to 10.56 and 6a plus 8p equals 9.24. I'm going to choose to eliminate the a. So the only thing that matters to me right now is the 12, the coefficient of 12 and the coefficient of 6. And I notice that they're both the same sign, they're both positive. So therefore when I interchange, one on the outside needs to be negative. I'm going to therefore distribute the 6 to everything inside the parentheses. And it's going to be 72a plus 30p equals to 63.36. I'm going to distribute the negative 12 to everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to have negative 72a minus 96p equals to negative 110.88. We're going to add, and if you notice, because I chose a, they became additive inverse and they cancel out each other. So now we have negative 66p equal negative 34.8. To get rid of the coefficient of negative 66, I need to divide both sides by negative 66. P is therefore equal to 0.72. Now that I know that P is 0.72, I can replace that value in one of the equation and solve for A. So remember, let's not forget that P is 0.72. So we have 6A plus 8 times 0.72 equals 9.24. So 6A plus 5.76 equal 9.24. Subtract 5.76 from both sides. Therefore, 6a is equal to 3.48. To get rid of the coefficient of 6, we're going to divide both sides by 6. So therefore, a is equal to 0.58. Now I need to check. I'm going to check using the second equation. So now we have 12 times 0.58 plus 5 times 0.72, which is equal to 10.56. So 6.96 plus 3.60 is equal to 10.56, and that is correct. So as a result, it's going to be 0.58 or 58 cents per apple and 0.72 or 72 cents per peach. Now let's check for understanding. Dr. Brown provides vaccination against yellow fever and malaria. Each yellow fever vaccination consists of 5 doses, and each malaria vaccination consists of 2 doses. Last year, Dr. Brown gave a total of 84 vaccinations that consists of a total of 237 doses. Solution. Dr. Brown provides vaccination against yellow fever and malaria. Each yellow fever vaccination consists of 5 doses, and each malaria vaccination consists of 2 doses. Last year, Dr. Brown gave a total of 84 vaccinations that consist of a total of 237 doses. Now, first we need to form 2 equations. The first thing I'm going to use as an equation is the number of vaccination. We know that the number of yellow fever vaccination plus the number of malaria vaccination equals to 84 total vaccination. So I'm going to use Y for yellow fever and M for malaria. So my first equation will be Y plus M equals to 84. For my second equation, I'm going to focus on the number of doses. We know that for every yellow fever vaccination, it consists of 5 doses. And every malaria consists of 2 doses. So therefore, it's going to be 5 times Y and 2 times M. And we should have a total of 237. So my next equation will be 5Y plus 2M equals to 237. I'm going to choose to use substitution method to solve the system of equation. Remember, you can go back and check my videos on solving system of equation by elimination and substitution, whatever method you're comfortable with. But for this particular solution, I'm going to use substitution method. The first step is to isolate a variable, my choice. So I'm going to take the equation Y plus M equals to 84, and I'm going to isolate the M. So I want to subtract Y from both sides of the equation. So therefore, M is equal to 84 minus Y. I'm going to plug in the expression into the other equation. So we know that M is 84 minus Y. So everywhere I see an M, I'm going to replace it with 84 minus Y. And I'm going to use the equation 5Y plus 2M equals to 237. So it's going to be 5Y plus 2 times 84 minus Y, close parentheses, equals 237. I want to distribute the 2 to everything inside the parentheses. So I'm end up with 5Y plus 168 minus 2Y equals 237. I'm going to combine like terms. So 5Y minus 2Y is 3Y plus 168 equals 237. I want to move the 168. The opposite is to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 168 from both sides. 3Y is equal to 69. To get rid of the coefficient of 3, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Therefore, Y is equal to 23. Now that we have a value for Y, I can go ahead and substitute it into the expression 84 minus Y to get the value for M. So M is equal to 84 minus 23. M is therefore equal to 61. Please don't forget to check your answers. Right? You always plug it in and check to make sure the values are right. But my final answer is 23 yellow fever and 61 malaria vaccinations. Please subscribe to my channel, click that little bell for further notification, like and share my videos. If you like what you saw in this video, please buy me a coffee. It's not mandatory. Thank you in advance.